that I have here. However, it's just looks like this. How DES, the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first 6 points relate to your team working, which is how desks are positioned, how many meetings the team holds, where appraisals, who leads the meetings and stuff. And the later 4 points are the team building, which is the silent resentments felt when one person is allocated a particular piece of work and how the other people react to it. So there's a lot of things that are happening in the background, which definitely you can see, which you can feel. And now another point that I'd like to share is all stages. So if I talk about different stages, right, it's very easy to find out where are you in your stage at this point now. Team stages. So if you remember this PAUL model, which is PAUL, it helps us to identify. I'll show it to you here so it's going to be easier. Any questions as of now? PAUL model. So it's very easier. The moment when you start with the team, right? P is a polite stage. So what happens is in this stage, there are a lot of getting to know each other, things happening, who is who, and we kind of mingling around and stuff. And later on, it's the angry stage. So what happens after mingling, after a lot of heads on in terms of who is who, you've made good friends around and all. So then when you realize that there are a little bit of the angry stage happens when you're trying to find your own self-identity, this is what you are, people are having a different perception about you. So you're taking time in mingling with the team. It's all about the initial stages of when you start, when you enter the team and how you meet them, right? So angry is one stage that comes in, and then is your, which happens a little later, because this brainstorming, these 2 stages take at least 3 to 4 months if you realize when you start meeting. There is your understanding stage that comes in picture, when you try and understand, okay, if that person is reacting in a different way, maybe he's a little aggressive, but he's fine, he's okay at this point. That's how we kind of start learning our own peer groups and getting to know that if this is the way he's reacting, maybe he's okay for this point, maybe I was thinking a little different way. So it's all about your perception, your perceptives about people. And then later, and this is when I'm talking about a matrix team. When it is your learning stage, when it comes in, when there's a lot of brainstorming that's happened, you all settle down, right? And then later, finally, you actually get into that role where the learning stage starts in. When you start learning, yeah? And that makes a lot of difference in your productivity, your production level definitely increases, because this is the time when the managers are aware that you're going to take that time. And that's when we all know that when you join an organization, it's a 6 months probation. So why is it a 6 months probation? It's only because of this. Because it takes time for us to actually get into the team, get to know the people, and that's how we kind of identify our own role and the goals attached to my individual goals linked with the organization goals. Right? So any questions so far on this? Right. So there's just anything else which you would like me to share on that? Alright. So this is a very interesting video. I'd like you to take a look at it. However, I need to switch off the lights.
This, the mouse, you can make it.
down.
6 years.